Today we're gonna make 4 types of cucumber sushi. Let's do it!
We'll start with a long, thin Japanese cucumber. First, cut the cucumber in half lengthwise. Hold the cucumber steady with your left hand and slice it diagonally into 3 equal parts, cutting towards the center. Remove the seeds from the middle part. The seeds are edible, however, they release moisture, which can make the sushi soggy, so we remove them. Next, prepare freshly cooked white rice. Add sushi vinegar to the rice and mix gently, using a cutting motion to avoid mashing the rice. Now, get your bamboo sushi mat. It's called makisu. If you don't have one, you can use a thick piece of aluminum foil as a substitute. Wrap a sushi mat with plastic wrap to keep it clean. Prepare a small bowl of vinegar water to wet your hands. Wet your hands with the vinegar water before taking a small amount of rice. Spread the rice evenly over a seed of nori. Leaving about 1 centimeter of space at the top. Place the cucumber strip in the center of the rice. Press the cucumber gently and start rolling the sushi from the bottom, slowly. Use the sushi mat to press and secure the roll. When it's time to cut, wet a kitchen towel with water and wipe the knife between each cut to ensure a clean, smooth slice.
Kappamaki is ready!
Next, we are going to peel the cucumber using the katsuramuki technique. Remove the seeds as they have too much moisture. Once peeled thinly, stack the cucumber slice and cut them into long, thin strips. Wet your hand with vinegar water before taking the rice. Spread the rice evenly over the nori. covering the entire surface. Sprinkle white sesame seeds on top. Flip the notice seat over, so the rice is facing down. Arrange the cucumber slice in the center. Press the cucumber gently and roll from the bottom, slowly using the sushi mat to secure the roll. When cutting, remember to clean the knife with a wet kitchen towel each time to get clean cuts. Vegetable sushi roll. Cut the end off the cucumber. Peel the cucumber thinly with a vegetable peeler. Lay the strips down. And pat them with a kitchen towel to remove excess moisture. Next, peel the carrot. Cut it in half, then slice thinly. And cut into long strips. Peel the daikon radish. Then cut it to the same length as the carrot. Slice the daikon thinly. Then cut it into long strips. Now, layer the thin cucumber slice. And arrange the carrot and the daikon strips at the front. Roll the cucumber around the vegetables from the front, pressing gently to secure the roll. Cut the roll, and your vegetable sushi is ready to serve. Soy pepper cucumber sushi. Finally, for the variation, we will make cucumber sushi with soy pepper. Wet your hand with vinegar water before taking the rice. Spread the rice evenly over the soy pepper. Leaving about 1 centimeter at the top. Place cucumber slices in the center. Press the cucumber gently and roll from the bottom. Use the sushi mat to secure the roll. As always, wipe your knife with a wet kitchen towel between each cut to keep the slice neat and clean.
いただきます。